What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the ProDentim before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the ProDentim works. What is ProDentim? ProDentim is an oral probiotic supplement designed to support healthy teeth and gums by promoting beneficial bacteria in the mouth. Unlike conventional dental care products that may disrupt the oral microbiome, ProDentim focuses on restoring balance to the bacteria that naturally protect teeth and gums. This formula is ideal for anyone looking to improve their oral health naturally, prevent cavities, strengthen gums, and maintain fresh breath. How does ProDentim work? ProDentim works by introducing beneficial probiotic strains into the mouth, helping to maintain healthy teeth, strong gums, and fresh breath. Traditional oral care products often kill both harmful and beneficial bacteria, but ProDentim supports the good bacteria, which is essential for overall oral hygiene. By chewing a ProDentim tablet daily, users can improve gum health by reducing inflammation, prevent cavities and enamel erosion, strengthen teeth by promoting beneficial bacteria, reduce bad breath by balancing oral microbiota. Key ingredients in ProDentim. ProDentim contains a blend of probiotics, natural ingredients, and essential nutrients that support oral and dental health. Some key ingredients include Lactobacillus paracasei, helps support gum health and reduces inflammation. Lactobacillus reuteri, supports the balance of bacteria in the mouth, reducing bad breath and oral irritation. Bliss K12 and Bliss M18- These probiotic strains enhance oral immunity and help prevent cavities. Inulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds beneficial bacteria and promotes their growth. Malic acid, found in strawberries, helps maintain whiter teeth. Peppermint and spearmint provide natural breath-freshening properties.